Welcome you all back to class 2 of the spoken English, and we are going to follow up what we have done in the previous class. So I thank you all for consistently watching the videos, and I ask you to share, like the video, and also comment in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you would be notified as and when we upload a new video. So in this class 2, we are going to learn a new topic which is called two-lettered clusters. Two-lettered clusters. Most of the people, irrespective of age, people of all ages, people in all professions, they find it very difficult to read English or to understand the English when somebody is talking to them, or they find it difficult even while writing. This problem comes up because of not correctly dealing with the basic, which is called two-lettered clusters. See, when we say two-lettered cluster, the word cluster means group. Okay, we're going to group two letters. On the whole, A to Z is an alphabet. That's what we learned in yesterday's class. But in today's class, we will randomly pick up two letters at a time, and then we will learn how to combine or how to blend those two letters. So watch very carefully. I would pick first the letter called A, and then I will start combining A with the rest of the other letters so that two-letter cluster words can be formed. As a sample, I'll work it out on A, but then I want you to keep working it out on B, C, D, and all the remaining letters so that it will be very helpful for you in order to form those two-letter clusters in reading as well as writing. So, to continue with, we have here a teaching aid. Okay, I have some play cards. We have here A, and now, for example, you take B. Okay, A and B together, when you join, it becomes AB, ab. AB, ab. This is how the two-letter cluster word can be formed by simply joining two letters. AB, ab. Now, if you pick up the next letter, for example, C, you have here AC now, which is AC. AC, AC. You have to keep pronouncing it as many times as possible. The more pronunciation is good, the more helpful it will be for you in the later days. AD, add. AD, add. Likewise, if you pick up the next one, the next letter, that is AE, A. Okay? AE, A. And you know what comes after E, right? The next letter that comes after E is nothing but F, right? So here is F, AF, AF. You write down and also keep pronouncing it as many times as possible. AF, AF. Moving on to the next one, this is G, AG. Remember, G can be sounding in two different ways. We can also sound it as G, also as G. Both the ways it's okay. So AG, ag. AG, ag. Both the ways is fine. Moving on to the next one, this is H, not H. The sound H should not be there in this when you speak. It's H. Okay? AH, ah. That's how we read it. Now, moving on to the next one, it is I. Okay? AI, I. AI, I. Moving on to the next one, it's J. AJ, aj. AJ, aj. Or aj also is fine. Next is AK, ak. Okay? Moving on to the next, that's L. AL, al or al. After L, we have M, and that is AM, am. AM, am. After M, we have N, which is AN, an. That's how we blend two-letter sounds and form a cluster, two-letter clusters. AN, an. And after N, we have O. AO, ow. AO, ow. Moving on to the next, we have after O, P. That's AP, app. AP, app. After P, it's Q. AQ, uck. AQ, ack. Two ways of pronouncing. Okay, we can have it as A or A. Now we have it as R beside A, it's er, and then we have S, as, as. Next is T right after S. It is nothing but at, at. After T, the next letter you know it's U, au, aw. Moving after U, we have the next one to read, that is V, ave. Okay, ave. And after V, it's W, it's all, all, all. Moving on to the next, after W is X, X. After X, it is Y, I, or A. And the last and the final one is Z, as. So therefore, when you combine the first letter A or A with all the other letters, you will get two-lettered clusters. Not just joining them, but you need to speak aloud how they sound when they combined together. When your basic two-lettered clusters is strong, automatically it will help you to read furthermore and understand more and learn more easily. I hope this class was very useful for you all. Keep practicing and keep continuing to watch. Thank you.